Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi continued the tradition of his sending a chadar to Dargah Khwaja Sahib Ajmer on the auspicious occasion of the 813th Urs of Sufi saint Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti this time too. Shri Kiran Rijiju, Minister of Minority Affairs, offered a chadar at the Dargah Sharif on behalf of the Prime Minister on January 4, 2025. Since he became Prime Minister in 2014, Shri Narendra Modi has presented a chadar at Dargah Khwaja Sahib every year on the occasion of the annual Urs. This year was the 11th occasion when the Prime Minister became a part of this sacred tradition. Offering a chadar at the Dargah of Khwaja Gharib Nawaz reflects Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's deep respect for India's rich spiritual heritage, its enduring message of harmony and compassion. After having offered chadar at Dargah Sharif, Shri Kiran Rijiju, Minister of Minority Affairs, read out the message of the Honorable Prime Minister.
गरीब नवाज के 813वें
On the occasion of the 813th Urs Mubarak of Garib Nawaz, my heartiest greetings to his followers across the world and all the devotees who have come to Ajmer Sharif. In different periods, our saints, peers, fakirs, great men have illuminated the lives of the people with their thoughts coupled with welfare ideas. In this series, the message of public welfare and humanity related to Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti have left an indelible mark on people, and the people all over the world have deep faith in him. The ideals of his life dedicated to promoting love and harmony in the society will continue to inspire our generations. The celebration of his annual Urs will play a big role in strengthening the mutual bonding of people. I am confident that this occasion will inspire people to do everything possible for the betterment of the country and society. On the occasion of annual Urs, while sending a chadar for the Dargah Sharif, I bow to Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti and I wish happiness and prosperity for the countrymen. Narendra Modi.
The annual Urs of Sufi saint Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti is organized in Ajmer every year, where lakhs of devotees from India and abroad visit. The Ministry of Minority Affairs of the Government of India plays a leading role in organizing the Urs. During the Urs, special attention is paid to cleanliness and hygiene in and around the Dargah premises. Facilities for the stay of the pilgrims, deployment of police personnel for security, CCTV cameras, fire safety, traffic management, electricity, water, parking to ensure better situation as compared to earlier ones. The Ministry of Minority Affairs continuously coordinates by holding meetings with the district administration and stakeholders associated with the Dargah. The Secretary of Ministry of Minority Affairs, Dr. Chandrasekhar Kumar, visited the Dargah a day before the Prime Minister offered a chadar and took stock of the arrangements. There is a long tradition of celebrating Urs at the Dargah of Sufi saint Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, who is known for brotherhood, humanity and communal harmony. A Dargah is the burial place of Sufi saints, where their followers pay their homage after the saint's demise. The Dargah, which houses the grave of Saint Khwaja Gharib Nawaz, has been in existence for more than 800 years. Urs is the day of the demise of Sufi saints. It means the union of the soul with the Almighty God and is considered an occasion of celebration for the followers who believe that when a saint leaves the body, he gets closer to his Guru, which is a joyous occasion. During the Urs of Khwaja Sahib, lakhs of devotees of different religions from India and abroad come to Ajmer and offer chadar at the Dargah. The Urs, celebrated at the Dargah of Hazrat Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, is a symbol of cultural harmony and fraternal brotherhood of India, and is also a witness to our culture of unity in diversity.